Yep, it's your guy, and today I'm going to do a review. Matcha. Specialise in coffees, bubble teas, the lot. I'm going to check this place out, have a little review, try it out. Apparently the cheesecakes are meant to be amazing, so once I try it out and have a matcha drink, I'll do a review and let you see, and I'll tell you what I think. Looks very nice. So, Devshotdesign brings you something. If you like what I bring you, subscribe, hit the bell, so you don't miss out on things that I'm trying to show you. Hello. Hi, how you doing? What to have, I don't know.
Oh, you have tried matcha?
No.
It's a green tea.
I'm going to try one then. Is it? What sort of milk is it?
Regular milk, either oat.
Can I have oat? Oat?
Oat, yeah.
Yes, please, definitely.
So matcha latte with oat?
Which is this one here?
Yep. Matcha
Yep.
latte, this is regular, like regular stuff.
Is that the the one what you would try if you were trying? I'm going to try one of those. And what else is there? Because I've been told about this place, so I'm doing a little review.
Okay.
And I'm going to Japan myself in 3 weeks' time, so I wanted to try something traditional. What would you recommend?
Let me finish the drink.
Yeah. Okay.
You want it hot or cold?
What do you reckon?
Cold.
Cold?
Any sugar?
No.
Oatmeal, right?
Oat?
And for food, do cheesecake, please?
Okay, I'll try that.
Yeah?
Yeah, why not? Let's try one of those. So it's the cheesecake.
Have it here, right?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
No, I think
Yeah, one.
we'll try that. Yeah, just for that for the moment, and we'll
Thank
see.
you.
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Need receipt?
Yes, please. Do I'll come back for it?
No, I will.
I'll bring it over. Okay, thank you so much. So this is the place. We try all the traditionals. Very nice. It's lovely. So we're going to try this matcha. We put all the little bits in here. And I'm going to try the matcha cheesecake. Quite a nice establishment. Look at this, they've got all the bits. Yep, so it's your guy. Haven't done a coffee review for a while. And let's see how we get on. It's brilliant. There you go. So they just bought me my drink. Here it is. And I'm going to try this. I think you should try it with a straw. That's really good. Very refreshing. And she's bringing over my cheesecake. Ah, brilliant. Thank you very much. Yeah. So I'm going to try this. It looks lovely. I'm just going to say, this is so good. Honestly. Honestly. It's so soft. One of the best cheesecakes, I'm telling you, that I've had in a long time. This is beautiful. I mean, it's a bit of a big portion, but honestly. This is good. And then with the drink. I'm telling you, you get a chance, check this place out. I'll put the link in the descriptions. Check this place out. Devshotdesign. I'm always trying to find something different just to bring to you. So, subscribe, hit the like button. I'll try and show you something different. It might not be different to some people, It's definitely different to me, but this is, seriously, one serious cheesecake. I'm not gonna lie, seriously, that was one of the most amazing cheesecakes that I've had. I'm not saying I'm a cheesecake expert, but matcha, unbelievable. So there you have it. Look, the ice creams, all the little bits. Absolutely stunning, brilliant. That's what I had. So get a chance, come check this place out. It's absolutely brilliant. Thank you. Thank you very much. Everything you want. Pineapple. So there's the place. There you have it. Devshot brings you something different, something fresh all the time. Yeah, an amazing place. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Have it. Bye-bye. Bye, and you. So there you have it. There you have it. What an amazing place. Get yourself down. Drummond Crescent, just off of Houston. Check this place out. Absolutely brilliant.